Good morning, students. How are you all? I, Kajal Shukla, welcomes you all in our online classes. Students, in our last class, we learned about the sentence. As we all know that a sentence is a group of words. Today, we will discuss its parts. Let's move on. Children, today we will discuss about the parts of a sentence. A complete sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Now what is subject and what is predicate? We will see in our next slide. Students, as we all know, a sentence always talks about something which could be a person, place, animal, or thing. In other words, a sentence tells us something about a noun. Firstly, we will discuss about a subject. What do you understand by a subject? Students, the part of a sentence that tells about a noun is the subject of the sentence. For example, Rahul is a good boy. Here what is subject? Rahul. Now what is predicate? The other part of the sentence that tells us about the subject is the predicate. Here Rahul is a good boy. Now Rahul is a subject, then is a good boy is predicate. The main thing about a predicate is the predicate always includes the verb. Students, now we will discuss about subject in command. Read the sentence. Come here, don't talk. In these sentences, the subject is not mentioned. Children, the subject is actually you. And the sentence actually read like the following. You come here. Here you is subject and predicate is come here. Likewise, you don't talk. Here you is subject and don't talk is predicate. Children, remember the thing. In all commanding sentences, the subject is you, which is not mentioned in the sentence but is understood. One more example, sit on that chair. Here we see that subject is not mentioned but the subject is you. So you sit on that chair. Children, here are some examples of subject and predicate. The first sentence is the children are enjoying in the park. Here we see subject is the children and predicate is are enjoying in the park. Next example, Ron and Sam go to the same school. Here again subject is Ron and Sam and predicate is go to the same school. So students, these are subject and predicate. Students, now it's time for some exercise. Children, it's time for exercise. What you have to do? You have to find the subject and the predicate in the given sentences. Now, I'll read one by one all the sentences for you all. First sentence is Bob is a footballer. Second is the little tree was covered with snow. Third is my friend and I won the match. Fourth, there goes the teacher. Fifth, on the way I met an old beggar. Now I am giving you some time to solve it. Do now. Children, I hope You all have tried to do it. Now it's time for find their answers. The first sentence is Bob is a footballer. Here Bob is a subject and is a footballer is predicate. In the second, the little tree is a subject and was covered with the snow is a predicate. In third, my friend and I is a subject. Won the match is a predicate. In fourth, the teacher is a subject. There goes is a predicate. In fifth, on the way I met an old beggar. Here, what is the subject? Yes, I is the subject. On the way and met an old beggar is a predicate. So students, the parts of the sentence they tell us what or whom the sentence is about is called the subject, and the part of the sentence that tells us about the subject is the predicate. So students, I hope you all have understood the parts of the sentence as subject and predicate. Now what you have to do? You have to do the given exercise in your notebook. See you for now. We will meet in our next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.